My name is Magenta Kennedy. I've been a CNA for about 8 years. I've always loved nursing and I just wanted to go farther. The hands-on learning definitely helps because it applies all the written and the readings and all the things that we normally do just in lecture. Getting in there and doing it and actually feeling what it feels like helps so much.
Something that I really loved was coming in and getting straight into the lab. It wasn't lecture first and then lab. Like, you got to come right in, know exactly what you were doing, and just start practicing. It's motor skills that you have to keep practicing to be able to transfer to a real life situation. So lab's very helpful.
Today we had a simulation for fluid and electrolyte balances. It was basically just to teach us how to recognize fluid deficit and fluid excess, and it was a great learning experience.
It's kind of cool that we actually get to do our skills like blood pressure, vitals, all that, and it's a huge learning experience for us to be able to practice not inside of a hospital.
The professors are very helpful. Anytime I've had a question or concern about something, they've always made the time and the effort to sit down with me personally and go over any issues I've had. They're just really wonderful. They are always open doors, always.
My reason that I tell everybody is the environment. I love the family friendly, it's a smaller school. We're all super close with each other. All of our students are close. The teachers are very down to earth and get on our level too, and it's really the environment, definitely.